When was the last time you thought about the alt tags on your website images? Most people don't until they realize missing alt text hurts both SEO and accessibility compliance. Welcome to the AI shift from hype to impact, powered by Gigarev. I'm Zahir. In today's episode, we'll look at how AI can automate alt tag generation and why that matters now more than ever for SEO and discoverability. Alt tags or alternative text describe what's in an image. For screen reader users, they make a web page understandable. For search engines, they explain what that image represents. Good alt text boosts rankings, image visibility, and click through rates. Here's the issue: large websites can have thousands of images. Writing unique, accurate alt text for each is time consuming and inconsistent. That's where automation helps. AI can understand image context, pull surrounding data, and generate descriptive alt tags in seconds. This tool is built for digital accessibility teams maintaining WCAG compliance, SEO and marketing teams improving rankings and discoverability, developers or automation engineers handling large CMS or e-commerce sites. We start with a manual trigger. When you click Execute Workflow, you will provide the URL you want to analyze. In production, you could replace this with a webhook so your CMS can trigger it automatically whenever you publish new content. Next, we fetch the web page. A simple GET request to pull down all the HTML. One important note: this works great for server-rendered sites. But if you're dealing with JavaScript-heavy pages like React or Vue, you'll need to use a headless browser like Puppeteer instead. Now here's where it gets interesting. This custom JavaScript node does the heavy lifting of parsing the HTML. It uses regex patterns to find every image tag, then checks if it has an alt attribute. If the alt tag is missing or empty, we capture it. But we don't just grab the image URL, we extract rich context. We extract page metadata, nearby text, image attributes, and the position. This gives us a structured object for each image that looks like this. See how we have the image URL, all the page context, nearby text, and attributes. This context is crucial for generating accurate alt tags. Once we have our array of images, we use loop over items to process each one individually. This is important because we are going to make API calls to GPT-4o Mini, and we want to handle them one at a time with proper error handling. Here's we do something clever. We have two paths. Path 1 takes the image URL and sends it to GPT-4o Mini for visual analysis. Part 2 passes the context data through. Then we merge them back together. This gives us both the AI's visual understanding of the image and all the contextual information from the web page. This is the secret sauce. We're not just blindly asking AI to describe an image, we are giving it the full context of where that image appears and what purpose it serves. Now we generate the alt tags using GPT-4o Mini. The prompt is sophisticated. It includes the image URL, all the context we extracted, page title, nearby text, headings, and adaptive guidelines. The AI automatically adjusts its style based on the type of website. And all of this follows Google's web accessibility guidelines: concise, contextual, no redundant phrases like image of, proper capitalization and punctuation. The AI returns the alt tag wrapped in markdown code blocks, so we need to parse it. This simple code node strips out all the markdown formatting and gives us clean JSON. Finally, we store everything in a database. You could use PostgreSQL, MySQL, Airtable, Google Sheets, whatever fits your stack. We store the original page URL, the image source URL, the generated alt tag, and a timestamp. This gives you a complete audit trail and makes it easy to review and update the alt tags in your CMS. Let's look at the output. You can see that the alt tags are descriptive of the image and the context of the web page has been used as well. You can add more domain-specific context to make it even more relevant to your business. This workflow doesn't just fix alt tags, it redefines how accessibility, SEO, and automation work together. It makes every image meaningful, searchable, and inclusive at scale. Whether you manage 10 pages or 10,000, this helps future-proof your site for both search engines and generative AI models. Recently, ChatGPT introduced Direct Checkout, allowing users to discover and purchase products right within the chat interface. That means buyers might never visit your website. They'll interact through AI-powered search instead. If your images lack proper alt text or your metadata isn't structured, you risk being invisible to these new discovery systems. AI can help fill that gap automatically, ensuring your brand stays visible in both traditional search and generative chat ecosystems. So here's the truth. Accessibility isn't just a compliance checkbox, it's part of how users experience your brand. And with AI, we can make that experience smarter, faster, and more inclusive. This episode is powered by Gigarev, where human creativity meets AI innovation to transform how businesses operate. If you're ready to build your own AI automation workflows, from content enrichment to intelligent metadata generation, Gigarev can help. I am Zahir, and this is how we shift from automation to intelligence.